Hey everybody, it's Jeff from New York, and today we're back in Manhattan in Union Square. We're going to visit the Union Square Market, located on the north and west sides of Union Square Park. The market began in 1976 by farmers, and in peak season there's more than 140 farmers, fish vendors, bakers, as well as florists vending their goods. The market's also known for cooking demonstrations as well as book signings. For those who missed it, there's a separate video on Union Square Park itself on this channel, so make sure you check it out. And a special shout out to Ginger999, who spotted Mitzi, the rubber ducky showgirl, in my New York Italy video. That video's been out for a while, so good job, Ginger999. Keep up the good work and keep looking for those hidden mascots.
This New York video is brought to you by Amazon Home Services, a new and simple way to schedule professional services for your home, such as home cleaning, plumbing, carpentry, electrical work, handyman work, and much, much more. Simply schedule online by clicking the link below. Top-rated service providers in your area are listed, and they've been through rigorous background checks such as license, insurance, and they even do a criminal background check. Service pros will compete for your business based on price, quality, and availability. All services are backed by Amazon's happiness guarantee. If you're not satisfied, Amazon will make sure the job gets done right. There's no sign-ups or subscriptions required. Next time you need work done around the home, just click on the link below and check it out. Don't forget to look for Cabby, who always makes a cameo appearance in all my 4K videos. Sometimes he's easy to spot, other times not so much. Be the first to comment on the timestamp where Cabby is, and I'll give you a shout out on my next video. For those of you with plans to visit exciting New York City, I suggest the Photos New York City Guide. It's written by locals and has a lot of insider tips. Lots of pull-out maps and descriptions that will help you plan your next visit with ease. You can check it out by clicking on the link in this video's description. It's the best guide out there to the city. I wouldn't leave home without it, neither should you.
I think she said 2 weeks.
Over there, right here,
This New York video has been brought to you by Audible, the world's largest selection of audiobooks. Listen anytime, anywhere you like to professionally narrated audiobooks, including bestsellers, new releases, sci-fi, romance, classics, and many, many more. Click on the link in this video's description for a free 30-day trial. As part of the trial, you get 2 free audiobooks to start with and 30% off any future audiobook purchases. Cancel anytime. Your books are yours to keep even if you do cancel. It's a great deal and you have nothing to lose by trying it out. As always, I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, please like, comment, and subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. On the right, you can click on my playlist of narrated photo videos or my playlist of walking 4K videos. Thanks again, and I'll see you around the city.